Hi everyone, this is MB Kitchenette and welcome to my channel, where you can find easy, quick, and healthy recipe. And today I will show another exciting recipe. For my followers, thank you for being with me again, and for those new here, I hope you learn and enjoy this video. Today I prepare stir-fry eggplant for you. Write in the comment your name and country, to be able to greet you in my next video. We need 2 pieces of eggplant. Remove the both end and cut into 3 pieces, then slice in the middle. Eating eggplant benefits your health in various ways. It provides fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It helps protect your cells from damage and may prevent cancer. It improves cardiovascular health and blood pressure. It boosts your immune system and reduces inflammation. It supports bone health and prevents osteoporosis. It improves digestion and blood sugar control. It helps with weight loss by reducing hunger signals. Your feedback. Help us grow. Tell us what you would like to see next. Have 1/2 piece from a bell pepper. Remove the both ends, cut in the middle, remove the seeds, and then slice. Bell peppers, capsicum annuum, are fruits that belong to the nightshade family. Red bell pepper are rich in vitamins and antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin B6. Decreased inflammation, reduced disease risk, including cardiovascular disease and some cancers. Improved immune health, improved eye health. What are your views? Tell us in the comment. We need 1 piece of chili. This kind of chili is not so strong. It brings a little kick to the food. Let's take a detailed look into the benefits of eating green chilies. The antioxidant properties of green chilies protect the body against harmful free radicals. Benefits of raw green chili consumption include improved bowel movement and reduced risk of ulcers. It prevents cell damage and maintains cell health by reducing blood cholesterol levels. It plays a crucial role in protecting against severe heart diseases like heart attack and stroke, as well as cancer. The high dietary fiber in green chilies makes them beneficial for people with diabetes. The rich iron content in green chilies helps in improving hemoglobin production and helps your body fight against fatigue and weakness. Contains calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which help maintain bone health. Chopped or minced 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Garlic contains compounds with potent medicinal properties, highly nutritious but has very few calories, helps protect against illness, including the common cold, can reduce blood pressure. Have a handful of ginger, cut, slice, and minced. Ginger is a flowering plant whose rhizome, ginger root or ginger, is widely used as a spice and a folk medicine. Ginger may have numerous health benefits due to its anti-inflammatory, anti-nausea, and other properties. It may help you lose weight, manage arthritis, reduce menstrual symptoms, and more. Ginger may be an effective trusted source against nausea, including pregnancy-related nausea, commonly known as morning sickness. Ginger may help relieve nausea and vomiting for people undergoing certain types of surgery, and it may also help reduce chemotherapy-related nausea. Ginger not only adds delicious flavor to food, it's also full of nutrients. People have been using the root for cooking and healing for thousands of years. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to always updated. Write your name and the country you are watching this video. You might be the next person I will greet. In a heated pan with some drops of cooking oil, fry the eggplant. Here is the helpful tips in frying an eggplant. First, fry the outside part, then the inside. This prevents from using too much cooking oil. Fry between 2 to 3 minutes, depends on hot is your pan, when it turns into brown. Flip it up and do the same on the other side. Once both sides are cooked, remove them from the pan and set aside. Can you still follow the recipe? Tell me your views. Eggplant, aubergine, brinjal, or bacon is a plant species in the nightshade family Solanaceae. Solanum melangina is grown worldwide for its edible fruit. Most commonly purple, the spongy, absorbent fruit is used in several cuisines. Typically used as a vegetable in cooking, it is a berry by botanical definition. As a member of the genus Solanum, it is related to the tomato, chili pepper, and potato, although those are of the New World, while the eggplant is of the Old World. Like the tomato, its skin and seeds can be eaten, but like the potato, it is usually eaten cooked. Eggplant is nutritionally low in macronutrient and micronutrient content, but the capability of the fruit to absorb oils and flavors into its flesh through cooking expands its use in the culinary arts. From same pan, let's saute the garlic and ginger. Just keep on stirring until aroma comes out. Just make sure you won't let it burn. Then add the fried eggplant. Add the bell pepper and green chili. Continue cooking for about 1 minute. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili powder, a pinch of pepper, a pinch of coriander, some vegetable flavor, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Vegetables are parts of plants that are consumed by humans or other animals as food. The original meaning is still commonly used and is applied to plants collectively to refer to all edible plant matter, including the flowers, fruits, stems, leaves, roots, and seeds. An alternative definition of the term is applied somewhat arbitrarily, often by culinary and cultural tradition. It may exclude foods derived from some plants that are fruits, flowers, nuts, and cereal grains, but include savory fruits such as tomatoes and courgettes, flowers such as broccoli, and seeds such as pulses.